What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo and part 3 of us configuring Proxmox with pfSense. So let's get right into it. All right, so part 3 of our small little mini series, and today's video is all about, I'm looking at my little black book again because I forget. Today, yes, we're actually installing pfSense. Pretty straightforward. I think on the next video, part 4, we're going to be configuring it. So today is all about next. It's really simple. On the last video, we left off here, disabling the KVM hardware virtualization in part 2. And then in part 3, we are going to start the installation. So the ISO image is already mounted because we did that when we configured the shell. So all we have to do is get into console and then click that big button that says start now. Click it. Click it. Yes. Click it. It's going to start booting up. It's going to start processing itself. And eventually you're going to get this. I mean, you could walk away and when you come back, you're going to get this. So on the keyboard, you are able to hit A to accept or just hit enter. I just hit enter. And the option that we want is install. Again, you are able to click on I on the keyboard or just select it with your directional keys and just hit enter for OK. And then for me, by default, it key map my keyboard to US, which is great. You are able to pick whatever language you want for your key map selection. Once you do that, just hit the space bar to select it. If not, if it picks up your default one, which for me was US and it's great, I'm just going to hit enter to select it. And now it's time for you to select a partition. I'm going to leave it as the auto, which is going to be ZFS. So I'm going to hit enter. Configure the options. I'm going to leave it everything as the default. I don't have multiple hard drives to create a RAID. I only have one hard drive for this. So I'm just going to hit enter to select it. And for the virtual device type, again, I don't have multiple hard drives, so I'm not able to create a RAID system out of this or a mirror. Kind of sucks. You should at least create a RAID or a mirror. So I'm going to leave it as the default one, which is no redundancy, and just hit enter to OK it. For the ZFS configuration, I'm just going to hit the space bar to select the option that I have there. I only have one option, and then hit enter to OK it. Last chance. Are you sure you want to destroy the current content? Yes. I don't have anything in it. So within the directional key, I'm going to move it to the left. Just hit the left key on the directional key, and it's going to select yes, or just hit Y on the keyboard and then hit enter. It's going to start fetching all the files. It's going to, reformat it, do everything that it needs to do, and you're going to get this. Manual configuration installation is now completed. Again, hit the directional keys or just hit Y on the keyboard, which I hit Y on the keyboard and hit enter, and it's going to give you this. Finally completed. Time to reboot. You are able to hit R on the keyboard to reboot or just hit enter. I like to hit enter, so I hit enter, started rebooting, and that's it. That's like the basic installation of the pfSense within Proxmox. I think on the next video, we are going to get into pfSense, log into the portal, start configuring it, and that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.